should be good. Just checking on the stream. Developing a game in 4 days. It's going to be very interesting. Hello? Not quite sure if I can't just hear myself or... Oh, yep, okay. Enough of that. Alright. Cool, doing the dev stream. Be me and Moth. We're going to be doing some development today. Check my... Okay, well, let me switch over to... That's like just Unity. Huh, it's not letting me open up Blender in this, which is interesting. Really? That's peculiar. Okay. Just kind of waiting for people to join in here. Moth said he should be on in like half an hour, I think. Okay. Alright, well, we're just gonna wait for stuff to start. So I guess I'll start talking. So we're developing a game that's gonna be in a loop. That is the GMTK Game Jam prompt. It has to be in a loop of some kind. If I look at the actual description, perhaps it's about doing the exact same thing over and over again. Perhaps it's about racetracks or programming instructions or loop the loops. The chance to expect higher game fits the theme when you submit it, and you won't be disqualified if the game doesn't adequately fit the theme. Okay, cool. So it tells me exactly how many seconds I even have left, which is cool. I got all the packages ready. I'm gonna create some folders while I'm waiting. Man, an open project where there's no controls. I don't even know what else to put in right now. Let's see, main camera. Put the scene over in its proper place. Okay. Now the idea is we're not going to have too much for movement. Make sure I'm going to get everything zeroed out here. 0, 0, cube, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Okay. So this would be like the person you're talking to. In the background, create new material. Okay. Welcome to the stream. We are just setting some of the game stuff up. Feel free to call out any bad decisions we might be making. Actually, I'm going to do unlit, I think. Oh. Hold on, I'm getting a message. What? Uh. Okay. That's interesting. People are saying they can't join the stream. Not quite sure what's happening there. Let me just share. Should be working. Stream is live on my end. Okay, looks like it's working now. Okay, hello everyone. We're starting the stream, and we are building a new game. I only have 2 cubes in here so far. That's how simple the game is at the moment. So the theme of this is loop. That's the game challenge prompt is looping. So we're going to be seeing increase the volume. Hold on. How about now? How we doing? Hello. There is a live chat as well if you want to just comment in there if there's any problems with the stream.
What's up?
Hey, how's it going? Is there oh, am I having issues again?
At this point, I feel like you can hear me, but I can't hear you.
What is going on? Let's see.
Alright, while you sort that, I'll try and find which monitor Blender decided to open into. Because it didn't go to the one I wanted it to.
How about this one?
There it is.
Can you hear me? Which? Hello? Hello, testing? Hello? Hello, testing? Check. Check. What? It should be one of these. Hello, testing? Testing? Man, what is happening here?
Software.
Why is this not... Moth, you there? Hello? Hello? Man, really just having issues with this right now. I don't know what's going on. Hello, testing? Man, what is happening here? I do not want the entire stream to be me figuring out how to use my freaking... Oh my goodness, come on, Discord. Why would you make this so difficult? Hello? 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 Oh, for goodness sake, come on now.
You're switching your input, yeah? Oh god, I can hear me on stream now, so that's something.
Can you hear me through the stream?
I can hear you through stream, but not through the call.
What on earth is happening? I didn't change anything from last time we were calling. Well, let me check my headset. Maybe there's something weird
It's not
going on.
even lighting up for me.
What is going on? Hmm. How about now? Can,
Try again.
can you hear me now?
No.
Okay, I changed my output. Maybe that's something. It's causing an issue.
Oh, that might be.
Digital output. Okay, this should be this one. Maybe? Super professional stream. Doing so well. Hello?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna go through every single one. I'm gonna say hello, and if you respond to any of them,
All right.
I'm just gonna to do it that way.
Well, how late? How late are my delay? Or how late are my responses?
I'm saying something right now.
Okay, I'm responding.
Okay, that's not too bad.
Okay.
Still wish that would work though. I have no idea why it's started. When you have output device in your Discord, what should that look like? Because I feel like I might have mucked that up.
For voice and video.
Yeah, I just have for voice, video, soundboard, and debugging. That's all working, but the voice is the one that's not working.
Voice. My output device is just going to my headset for my headphones. My input is just the Shure that I'm using.
Is it like separated? Okay, respond to this.
I'm responding, but oh well. I guess it. I I should only really respond with a yes if I'm actually hearing you through the call and not through the speaker.
Oh, yeah, that would be helpful. Yes.
That would
I'm
be good.
I have no idea. Output device should just be.
Well, it would be input device because output device is whatever you're listening to me through. Hang on a second.
So should they be the same thing then? Hello?
All right, I'm back. What's up? Sorry.
Did you hear me just now?
Try again.
Hello?
No.
Is it at least like making a signal? Like
It,
do you see blipping?
no, it's not even lighting up.
What on earth? That's so weird. So OBS is picking it up, but my
Yep.
Discord isn't. Here, I'm gonna close my Discord and
Your
reopen it.
output device shouldn't matter
Okay.
because that's just whatever you're listening through. It's your input device that's having problems.
Okay. That's so weird. Here, I'm gonna restart my Discord just real quick. Let's see. Hello? Dag nammit. What is happening?
We got nothing.
What is it doing?
I don't have you muted, do I?
I don't think so.
No.
Why would this have changed?
What is your current input set to?
My HyperX Cloud. That's the headset I think I'm using. It has HX on the side, so I'm guessing that's what
Is
I'm.
it muted in hardware?
Let me check. Maybe I click something. Hold on. I don't think there should be a button for that.
Okay, well, it's definitely not muted in hardware because you just muted yourself on stream.
This is great. Okay, we'll figure that out another time. I'm just gonna start the stream and we'll just make it work because I have no idea why
Okay,
it's
I'll just live with hearing myself.
okay. You like the sound of your own voice, right?
No, God, I hate it.
Oh, okay. Well, everyone, welcome to the stream. This has been a great start. We were talking about some ideas earlier while we were both at work. We were messaging each other in Discord when we had a moment or two. And it looks like we do have some basic idea of what the like main gameplay is going to be. um, Thing is, we're gonna have to get this put together real fast because we've only got like 3 days left.
You work Monday through Friday, don't you?
I do.
That makes two of us.
Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Also, OBS has decided that it doesn't want to record Blender either. I don't know. Off to a great start. This is going great.
Are you using Streamlabs OBS or like
Uh,
a regular OBS Studio?
OBS 30.1.2. I don't know. I think it's just regular OBS.
Okay.
I swear I've streamed before. I don't know what's going on here. Um hmm. Input. Man, this is really going to bother me that this isn't working. Is it this one?
Try again.
Okay. I'm going to here mute the stream. I'm just going to go through every single one of these options in here and we should
Okay.
eventually meet up with each other. Okay, I'm
You're
starting.
just gonna run through them and then I'll let you know if I hear you.
Yep. Testing, testing, testing.
Okay.
You heard me? Testing, 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 testing. Test. Well, I've checked everything that could possibly be. Discord, come on now. Why are you doing this to me on stream? For goodness sake. This is great. I'm glad that you guys have joined in for me fighting with Discord because apparently that's what the stream is going to be. Um, Testing. Mother Hubbard. Okay, this is just not working. I don't know. I don't know what Discord's doing. I don't know.
I haven't unmuted yet, but so far I've got nothing. Um. Let me check your input volumes or do a mic test if you want.
Test. Test. Oh, you should be detecting it because OBS is detecting it. For Pete's sake. Yeah, it's the freaking oh, what is it called? No, don't check Wi-Fi. Come on now. Headphones HyperX Cloud 3 wireless. Testing. Oh, for the love of Pete. What is happening? It literally says when I look at my options on here, it is saying, yeah, it is saying HyperX Cloud 3 wireless. And then when I go into my settings and I change it to HyperX 3 wireless, nothing works. Do I hit do I hit an apply button? Is there a
I think
what?
it just autosaves.
Why would this not be working? That literally makes no sense.
My only other guess would be that Discord has like um taken it.
Taking it?
Like not more than one application can use it. Maybe I'm kind of grasping at straws here.
Well, because like the last term that we were doing, everyone was responding, and I haven't changed anything until it was saying that it wasn't working. Man, this is really junky. I don't no idea why Discord is causing discord upon my stream today. It's rather unfortunate.
It's in the name.
It's in the name.
I mean, this is just par for the course for the rest of my last 2 weeks.
Yeah, were you also having issues?
My life has just been a lot.
Oh.
So
Okay. Yeah, my input device is microphone, HyperX Cloud 3 wireless, and my output device is headphones, HyperX Cloud 3 wireless. Do not know how else I would. It literally makes no sense it wouldn't be working.
your input volume is full 100%.
Yeah, it should be. Yeah, input and output volume.
Input mode, voice activity, input sensitivity is automatic.
I've not changed the default since last time. I don't know. Hmm.
Okay.
Well, thank you, Discord. You are freaking worthless. Thanks for nothing. Anyway, back to game making. Um,
That's so strange.
yeah, we'll fight with it another day. Sorry about that, Moth. You're gonna be hearing your own voice for a while. Hopefully that doesn't cause any paralyzing stage fright. But here we go. So we were discussing the idea of the time loop, where a monster is like gonna kill you and your wife, and you have to convince your wife that you are her husband because of time loop wiping her memories. But that's just my first pitch.
I'm also trying to think of like more abstract concepts of a loop.
Yeah, I'm just trying to think of a way to couple that with gameplay.
Right, that feels very like it could devolve into point and click adventure.
I'm okay with that. Except I don't know how to click vectors on Unity, so I couldn't do a click adventure. I guess I could like find some reference code for it, but it's so funny. I tested it the stream before I started.
You know, we could fuck around with the what do they call that? The particle accelerator. That's a loop.
That is a loop. Yeah. Um. Okay. So do you want? I mean, how would we turn a particle accelerator into gameplay?
I well, oh, we're not wanting to do movement, are we?
If we do, it needs to be like I add 4 thrusters to an object, and that should be it. I don't think we should do anything more.
Hmm.
Okay. All right. I'm
Sounds like
closing Facebook
something to
here.
do with like trying to fix the particle accelerator, like pulling things out of it or what have you. Investigating it, something along those lines.
We could do.
Kind of
Um.
a iron lung type of vibe to it.
Yeah, I would love to do an eye or lung thing. Just thinking now how to get that into gameplay. See if I can't get OBS to behave itself, and I could switch over to grease pencil. Um,
But I guess it would also be good to know what the hell a particle accelerator like does or how you would do that.
yeah, I've made particle accelerators
I know it
before.
accelerates particles, but I don't know how you'd do maintenance or anything on it.
Yeah, I mean, so what we could do is like it's maybe the particle accelerator is in like a slowed down mode, so you can hear the buzzing of a particle coming through the actual um, like inside the machine, like the actual tube, and then you just have to time it to like do maintenance, and then if it hits while you're still working on it, it like blows up and you have to restart.
That could be. Because I'm thinking like the Large Hadron Collider, like you have to go to a certain part of it and do some sort of repair, and it's horror adjacent.
Mm.
It's all dark and it's red lights and shit.
Oh yeah, we could do like rotating red spotlights and stuff like that.
Because there's that story of the guy who stuck his head in there and like got a particle shot through his skull or something in there.
Yes. Yeah, actually, I do remember. That was quite the incident. Um, okay, so we got Hadron Collider concept, or we have the monster time loop.
Or if we want to be like really abstract about it, you could go like a loop, like a jeweler's loop.
A jeweler's loop?
The it's like a little tiny magnifying glass that jewelers tend to carry around to inspect gemstones and jewelry bits and stuff.
Oh, that's actually kind of cute. I think you were onto something though with the whole iron lung concept. Like that's a great motif. Maybe we should like lean into like rustic horror, but like in Nintendo 64 um, levels of texture.
Yeah, because I was thinking of like that style, like visually.
Yeah. Okay.
Because like you've seen within the walls of the Large Hadron Collider. Yeah.
I've seen in a couple of them. I'm not sure which one you're referring to.
I mean, just pulling random images from the internet, so it were you end up with stuff like this. I'll send you on Discord.
Okay, let's take a look. Oh yeah, that'd be a great horror setting.
It's also got some bits like whatever this is. I I don't know what the parts of it are. I just know whatever it is, it fascinates and terrifies me at the same time.
That is what I imagine the inside of a portal gun would look like. um, yeah, okay.
I mean, it does, doesn't it? To an extent, anyway.
Yeah, I mean they synthesize a black hole, so I mean it's particle slamming to another particle. It makes sense.
What if this but small?
Yeah, basically, it's like the he made this in a cave with a box of
Um,
scraps.
I I like the idea of like seeing this kind of environment in the distant future. Like this is so run down and used, overused, and it just needs constant maintenance now, and it's incredibly dangerous maintenance to do because
Right.
they're having you do the maintenance while they run it.
Oh, what if we have okay, so you're in a particle accelerator and the beam is cycling through and you have to hide inside gaps in the machinery as it's like coming by.
That you could, because I mean, to be accurate, the beam would be through that tube that you're typically not supposed to be in. You could be doing maintenance in the tube at the end as like the difficulty ramps up through the gameplay. But until then, it could be like you're avoiding like environmental hazards or like trying to make sure you're not touching the machine when the beam goes by as it like sparks and shoots electricity through disconnected shit and broken like whatever's.
Mm. I'm just trying to think of how I would even develop that because we're gonna need a first-person shooter script if we're like running around and stuff. Um, and we're not.
I'm
I'd
not
have.
sure if it needs to be that or if it can be a like a which you choose an environment and the player is just kind of put there. It's just like
Oh,
a map sort of deal. Like here's where I need to go. So like you see your tablet and it gives you a little flashing light wherever it needs maintenance, and you can go there and it just loads that new environment.
oh, so we just like switch cameras, basically.
Basically, and
Okay.
you're able to still like you're switching cameras and you're switching where you're working.
Okay. Can do something like that. Um, so we better start building. um,
It
I'll start making
it's an
some.
easier answer than doing entire first person. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Um, so we'll make. I'm gonna look at the iron lung real quick. Just get a motif refresher. Man, that I can't wait to see that movie. I'm actually really excited for the Iron Lung movie that Markiplier's working on.
I mean that the yeah. That was almost a coherent thought.
Almost. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So, do you want to kit bash some quick, like rusty iron textures, and then I'm gonna make like a quick, um, asset that's just going to use like a random assortment of the UVs?
Sure. I'll do like 3,000 by 3,000 square.
Is that what is the like the low res I don't even remember. I thought it was like 16 by
I'll fuck around with
16.
it and we'll find something.
Yeah, find something like a little bit more rustic. Okay.
I figured I could make one big plate and then you can just choose wherever you want on it to apply.
Yep, that's a great idea. Okay. And do an array. We're gonna do fixed count, fit curve. Hmm. There we go. That's gonna work just very nicely. I'm gonna keep it low poly just so that we can make assets quickly. Apply mode. There we go. It's really interesting. Test. Okay. Well, perfect. Okay. Control copy, control paste. Do. There we go. Are you gonna go see the movie that Markiplier is making?
The Iron Lung?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
Okay, slot. Okay. I'm gonna export this as ring start blocking out the environment a little bit. And then I can go in and edit the UVs later. I just want to get a good feel for what we're building. Let's do. Okay. Sets. Models. Okay. 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 That guy survived, though. That's the funny part about the whole particle accelerator thing. He actually like survived that whole incident.
But yeah, no, he went and got an X-ray and everything, and he was fine.
I think I'd be terrified of like MRI machines and stuff after that.
I think there's also some irony in the concept that he went and got all that. He got a particle shot through his head, and then they were like, "Okay, more particles for you."
Yeah, yeah. I think the last thing he needs is more particles put in his body. Okay, I'm just trying to think of what we can do with a block of stuff like this. Inspector. Oh, okay, that's why. Scene. Yeah, it feels really weird to be working on an empty Unity project after Amino Shift because Unity is quite a big game.
Okay, so I've got two versions of a rusty looking texture.
Cool.
It's very basic, but it's something.
We just need placeholders for now.
No, actually, I want to add to it.
I can feel the scope creeping in. Okay.
It's not good enough. It's never good enough.
Yeah. Why do you think Amino Shift is so big after all these years? Just keep adding more and more stuff to it. Okay. Just thinking about what we can do. Hmm. Okay, so what are we doing for gameplay? What's the idea? We need to put a prototype together in like the next 2 hours so we can get some ideas on how to make it better. Come on, gameplay man. Tell me your secrets.
The idea of like opening the panels and oh, I'm gameplay man.
You're,
Me?
yeah,
Gameplay man?
you're gameplay man now. You're the game designer.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh. Okay, so basically, we've got this guy. His name is Gordan Fromont.
Hold on, let me name him that. We make my character. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Godon format.
Gordan
Uh,
Fromont. Um, I'm trying to think of a game that it would be similar to,
mm.
like mechanics wise.
And the gameplay needs to be really simple because we're gonna have to like iron this out in like 2 days. So, are you sure we shouldn't do like the option
Right.
thing what we were
It's gonna
talking
be
about?
fixed camera.
Yeah.
The yes no.
Yeah, just cuz like if we're doing like actual like interacting parts and physics and tags and stuff, it's going to get really jumbled. I'm talking from experience. It's going to get complicated. And
Yeah.
complicated's not easy to build.
Yeah, we might do that. I'm gonna keep these rust textures though, because I kind of like them.
Okay, so should we just do like the monster looping concept?
Yeah.
Okay. I do like your idea of like the
I've got
Hadron
way too much
Collider.
building for this. Like,
Goodbye, Gordon Formant. Er.
Gordon Formont dead.
Dead. Dead on arrival.
Gordon for Heman.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm gonna leave that. So, um, we're gonna have to make like a. We need to make wife. How do we make wife?
Uh, I can't say any of what came to mind. I'm sorry.
I'm not quite sure I want to know, but I am. I'm intrigued. I am intrigued. Okay. Okay. You know what? I'm just change my.
Yeah, apparently I made the high res versions too high res for Discord.
Oh, is it having a fit over it?
Here's some rust. Have fun with it.
Oh, I have rust. I've been given rust. Hey, those aren't bad. That's not bad at all. You, little texture maker. Okay. I'm gonna do this as rust 1 and rust 2. Oh, rust 2. Okay. Should I just put Rachel as a placeholder for wife?
I mean, well, no, do Black Widow.
That's actually great. Hold on, let me port her over. Actually, no. After I saw your guys's stream, no. I think not. The thirsty, the thirsty comments that were happening there.
Yeah. No.
Yeah. You think I wasn't watching? I was. Okay, I'm gonna do a loop cut here.
That's why I told chat to calm down.
You're like, yeah, he watches this, guys. Okay. Trying to remember how to make Nintendo 64 characters. Okay, here we go. Did you ever play like the old Nintendo 64?
No, I didn't.
Sure, your partner is very disappointed in that.
The she is. The oldest console we had was a PS2 Slim, and then we got a Wii.
Oh, Wii was great. I loved the Zelda on Wii. Okay. Can you change OBS just to
We
record your
had
screen?
Wii Sports, and then we had the whatever came with the Wii board, the that balance board thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you can.
I'm trying to remember. I've done it before. I don't have anything up that I need to worry about right now. Um, oh no, my social security number. Let's see. Okay, there we
Oh
go.
no, my social security number, my credit card, my home address, and
Yeah.
you know what? Just like my entire biography.
Fantastic. Okay. Now you guys can see the 3D modeling on stream. Like everyone wanted to see. Okay. You have to forgive me. It has been a minute since I made polygonal characters that weren't over 1,000 tries. Okay. This is wife material, I think. Oop. I know some of my coworkers are gonna be watching this tonight, so it should be they'll be giving me some guff, I'm sure. Oh. Because they're tech savvy, so they're gonna see this. Okay. Um, slightly depoly her just a little bit here. Yeah, the Ocarina of Time though, that was like the OG Nintendo 64 Zelda. You had to like blow in the cartridge and you had to like play as long as you could before the cartridge got hot because then the game would like stop working. It's good fun.
What the hell? Cartridge getting hot was a thing.
Yeah, well mine was anyway. I don't know if I had like a defective version or something. I need to make this more feminine. Okay. I gotta give them credit though. Like making stuff look good with like 100 tries takes skill. I'm starting to see a face shape.
Oh yeah, especially considering that what they like were working with to make it.
Yeah, like floppy disks and dial-up internet. Okay.
And the software just being, well, the way it was.
Yeah, I suppose. Okay. I'm gonna look up a picture of Nintendo 64 characters real quick. I need to look at. Man, I remember this game looking so much better. uh, nostalgia filters.
Oh no, that's not a good sign.
It's okay. It's okay. I can fix it. We have the technology to make her better.
I will say when the stream starts to buffer, it becomes an issue for hearing anything that you need to say.
Oh, yeah. We will fix this after the stream, and the next stream will be better. Okay. There we go. Okay. 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 Alright, then the rest of her body parts are going to be very blocky. I think we're just going to have to make do. Are you able to see everything that I'm modeling right now? Ta-da. Moth? Where art thou? Hmm.
The cube.
You see the cube? Gotta love that Martian delay there. Might as well be Voyager 3.
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Okay. Maybe you should handle the stream next time. You're the experienced streamer. Let's do cube.
Oh wow, we got hella delay now.
Yeah, I was saying there was a little bit of I noticed you didn't talk to me in like a minute, and I had said something, and I wasn't quite sure if you were ignoring me or if there was like a serious buffer here. Okay.
Dude, I'm on fucking Mars.
uh.
I might do that thing. I might handle the stream next time.
Yeah. Okay. Do. Are. Oh, you've messaged me? Why have you messaged me? Okay, we're having some difficulties, guys. Just hold on for a second. I'm gonna work this out. Um. Discord.
See if this fixes anything.
Oh, hello. That sounded like a rapid response. Mm,
Alright, I'm gonna start nuking non-priority applications to try and get. I'm starting to think the stream is having issues because of. I think my computer's maxed out.
yeah. Man, I something is not. I'm gonna turn my headset off and on again. Test. Hey, we are having some serious issues with this. I have got to figure this out because I feel like that's gonna. If you don't have to watch the stream, I feel like that's gonna really help your latency.
had to close the stream as I try and figure out what is eating all my RAM.
Yeah. Also having some issues.
Let me open it again.
This is not what I wanted this stream to be. Why are you doing this to me,
Alrighty.
Discord?
I'm gonna bump the stream quality as far down as I can, but
Okay.
what the fuck is happening?
I think my Starlink might be also causing issues. Not quite sure if the signal is getting through where it should be. Chat is live as well if anyone has any suggestions or ideas. I think this will work for now. Duplicate.
Alright, I'm gonna test latency real quick.
Okay, I just hurt you.
Let me set it. Let me set a timer. Alright, test.
Hello. I hear you. Select linked. Okay. Oh, that's a cuter face. Oh, that's like a cute. Okay, we're getting somewhere.
2 minutes and 11 seconds latency. That's amazing.
That is, man. Oh my
I might as
goodness.
well be on like what, Saturn?
It must be me.
No,
It
but
must be
yes.
me. Oh my goodness.
For accuracy purposes, no, but for joke purposes, yes.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
No, I'll wait 2 minutes for that. YouTube.
Oh, the shenanigans. The shenanigans.
YouTube stream space program.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, they might as well be streaming from Mars because that's the latency we're getting. Oh,
Oh, and it buffered like 8 times during that, and I'm not sure. I don't even know which end that's on, if that's your end or my end at this point. My internet could be losing its mind, or
I'm gonna assume that it's my fault,
Starlink
but
could be having issues. I'm not sure.
yeah. Freaking Starlink. They're gonna get a call from my people in a minute. The whole point of me even getting Starlink was so that I could stream at like a decent rate. But apparently that's not freaking possible. Okay. We have a bust of the wife character. Doesn't look terrible, I don't think. Okay. Just assuming that the stream is buffering to high heaven. So is it 2 minutes to get to you and then 2 minutes back? Because that's actually quite insane.
Moonbase to Earth, are you capable of doing a texture that scrolls? So if I make like a really long texture, can you have it scroll across a square?
I probably
Over.
could. Over. This is Azrael to Moth. I can look into that. See you in the next transmission. Over. It's so funny because my phone does not have this problem, but my freaking like if I was streaming from my phone, I don't think I would be having this issue. remove your bald spot real quick. Okay. Well, man, just want to modify your face to get rid of the bald spot. Boop.